Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the first timers, welcome. This is Billy. So welcome to my first movie review for 2025. This review is about a movie that is close to my heart because for me, isa itong magandang representation ng isang community that is one that is deserving to be appreciated and needed special attention kasi there are more and more people of this condition as each day passes by. So ito po ay isang pelikulang kabilang sa Cinemalaya 2024 na ginanap noong August 5. It's a co-production between Southern Lantern Studios and Regal Entertainment. It's a film called Love Child based on an award-winning screenplay na nanalo sa first place sa Dulaang Pampelikula category sa 71st Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards for Literature. It's written and directed by Jonathan Hurilla, who himself has an experience of having to raise a child with autism. So this is the story of two young awesome parents. It's spelled in this context A Alpha U uniform and then S Sierra O Oscar Mike Echo. Awesome. Sila yung mga parents na nagpapalaki ng mga bata or people who are diagnosed with autism. The awesome parents here are portrayed by R.K. Bagatsing and Jane Oinesa as Pau and Ayla respectively, and si John Tyrone Ramos naman ang gumanap na autistic child na si Callie in this emotional, touching, beautiful movie. So the synopsis is, this is set in Negros Occidental, kung saan nag-decide si Pau and Ayla na mag-settle with their son, Callie, who was diagnosed with autism. And at that time, at this point, in-enroll nila sa SPED si Callie. Callie here is non-verbal, but the parents here, they show as much love and sweetness for Callie. And although it's not easy, they try to do their best to raise Callie in such a harsh environment and making sure that there is a safe space for him within the community. The movie Love Child shows na meron din itong wake-up call or eye-opener about the situation sa education and health sector regarding neurodivergent people, especially yung mga may autism, kagaya nga sa case ni Callie. And this is also one that intends to send a message to the viewers na dapat ang ating gobyerno ay magbigay ng enough support sa education at saka health departments para yung mga autistic people and their parents ay mabigyan ng as much support as they deserve for the special needs of these people, lalo na ng mga bata na na-diagnose na may autism. Kasi as you have seen in the movie, kailangan ni na Ayla at Paul na maglabas ng ganitong amount para lang sa gamutan and occupational therapy sessions for Callie. It's not uncommon for parents of autistic children na maglabas ng ganyang amount. It can differ or vary depende sa kung anong diagnosis ng developmental pediatrician sa mga may autism. Ang pinagkaiba rin nito, it doesn't really show na may natatanging abilidad itong si Callie. It's just that kailangan lang muna niya ng special attention and love and support para yung kanyang potential ay mailabas. Sa kanyang lagay pa lang na ipapakita yung context in the premise of this movie. And pinakita rin nito that it can be as emotional but light as possible, kasi nga this was marketed as well as a rom-com movie, although may dramatic moments din itong movie, such as when Ayla, played by Jane Orneza, is already showing or expressing her thoughts about how will she be able to balance work and life and family. Sa paano siya magiging efficient mother to Kali na may autism. Paano siya magiging awesome mother indeed kay Kali. Whereas may mga struggles siyang hinaharap and several sacrifices ay kailangan gawin nila ni Pao, played by R.K. Bagatsing, in order to be able to prioritize ang pagpapalaki nila kay Kali. Overall, the movie is great. Maganda yung color grading niya and it makes the viewer feel more at home kasi napaka-homey ng feels niya dahil sa color grading tsaka mood and tone ng mga eksena. And the acting of the main cast, it's just right and realistic. Nothing too intense, nothing too heavy. Match lang sa kung anong emotions ang pinaportray ng characters in each notable scene. Especially when they're discussing already kung papaano nila papalakihin ng pinaka mainam or maayos na paraan si Kali. That's how they portray the emotions very well. And overall, I give this Love Child movie a rating of 4.5 over 5 stars. Yes. Firstly, yung feels niya na sa province ang setting, parang may pagka-nostalgic din kasi I grew up in the province for the first 10 years of my lifetime sa Mindanao kasi ako lumaki. Ito namang Love Child ay sa Negros Occidental ang setting. So, nandun pa rin yung feels na iba rin yung maganda rin yung life sa province, although there can be challenges as well. Second, the acting is great. Yung supporting cast consisting of actors from Negros Occidental also did great in all of their respective roles. And third, yung pagkakasulat. It may not be perfect at times, but the writing itself is touching, it's emotional. At tama lang yung translate ng wordings into how the emotions were portrayed thanks to its effective writing sa screenplay niya. And before I go ahead and wrap up this review, I'd like to give first a greeting to my colleagues. First kay George Noriega. I hope I can still see you around in the coming days. And shout out as well to Raymond Lewis Turner. I hope na magkita-kita pa tayo in some more ways. I miss all of you there. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this movie review for Love Child. At first, I thought nung time na palabas to sa mga cinemas, I'd be able to have an opportunity na mapanood to sa sinihan talaga. Nagkataon lang na naging busy ako sa aking work. So I had to wait for a while before it becomes available for streaming. In this case, Love Child is already available for streaming on Netflix globally, so everyone can have a chance to watch and or rewatch this touching and amazing movie. Lalo na sa mga awesome parents and people who are diagnosed with autism. And by the way, there are also people with autism who become awesome parents themselves. And they should be able to understand kung paano palalakihin ang kanilang awesome children through their own special ways and efforts. And it really takes a village to raise a child. And some sacrifices really had to be made para maging efficient ang pagpapalaki sa isang anak. It really takes time and effort and a lot of patience. And that has been my review for Love Child. Thank you so much for watching, and I promise there will be more reviews to come and more content coming from me. And yes, see you all once again in my next video content. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support. Take care always, everyone. Alright, and may pahabol lang po ako. I'd like to add these shout out greetings as well to at Max Mentol, at TJ Pexru, hopefully tama po pagkakabigkas ko, at J5 Geek rather, and at Honey Lucildi. And these are their usernames po sa X, formerly known as Twitter. And I hope na since it's already available sa streaming sa Netflix, ay mapanood niyo din po itong napakagandang pelikulang Love Child. And I'm sure that maganda rin po yung kapupulutan nitong aral. And once again, thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day and stay safe, everyone.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it?
I'd like to give as well a shout out to Lance Angelo Cunanan, Hannah Rain Leonardo, Jude Wanil Spicer, Darwin Cass, Emirs Angel Eo Rugal, Kaislyn Pedeglorio, Tasha, Jerry Christopher Bitalak, Rico Mark Angelo Sangalang, and Leana Purificacion. Shoutout as well to River, Jericho De Rojas, Mark Franco Carrion, Roxanne Reyes, Apple Jane Andoy, Lance Walter Gutierrez, Nicole Rake, Daryl Tizon, Alali Marie 14, Rovelyn Sablay, Claire Andrada, Jana Navarro, Silas, Ronald John Calanayan, Kendall Gabriel Villamor, Josh Hush, Christian Manisalbas, Cristel Albaladejo, Daya Matuog, Jonas Masaki, Cheryl Ann Conmigo, Colleen Onayan, Luis Joshua Santos, Rox Dizon, Paul Calamno, Irie Horado, Dwight Pili, Janice Antonio, Jennifer Antonio, Katrina Miracle Sico, George Noriega, Herbie Bakir, and Tyler Angeles. Shout out as well to Al Francis Labata, Jonna May Gomez, Kate Dionzon, Russell Javier, Alexia Rain Dator, Nika Larazabal, Ivan Gambol, Jule Arclaner Capistrano, Jules Estrella, Roscar Campos, RJ Narvaez, Micah Bautista, and to everyone else who are supporting my channel, and to all my workmates and former schoolmates, hello to everyone. Thank you for the support.